Hey everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through a step-by-step guide on how to change your primary market in Shopify. So the first thing that you need to do is log into your Shopify store. Once you're on the admin dashboard, head down to the left-hand menu and click on Settings. From the Settings menu, click on Markets. This is where Shopify lets you manage and configure your selling regions. Then next, click Add Market, then enter a name for the market, for example, Test Market. Then choose the country or region you want to use, and in this example, we'll select Singapore. Click Add Market to continue. After adding the market, you'll be taken to a new page for configuration. Click on Shipping. Some markets may have automatic shipping rates, but if not, simply click Manage, click Add Rate, then choose a custom rate or existing rate. Then save your changes. This step is required to activate the market. Once your shipping rate is set up, scroll up and select or click Activate Market. Your new market is now live and configured. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.